If Audacity is playing your audio but you cannot hear anything, don't worry. The issue is usually the wrong playback device, a muted track, or a simple volume setting. In this video, I'll show you the quickest fixes to get your sound back. First, look at the track controls on the left side of your audio. Make sure the mute button is not enabled. Also check that the track volume slider is not all the way down. This is an easy one to miss after editing. Next, check Audacity's main playback volume. Find the speaker icon near the top toolbar, then move the playback volume slider up. After that, make sure your computer speakers or headphones are not muted and the physical volume is turned up. Now open the Audio Setup menu near the top of Audacity. Under Playback Device, choose the speakers, headphones, or audio interface you are actually using. If you recently connected Bluetooth headphones, Audacity may still be sending sound to your old device. Then check your computer's sound output settings. On Windows, open Settings, choose System, then Sound, and select the same output device. On a Mac, open System Settings, choose Sound, then Output, and select your headphones or speakers. Try playing a video or music file outside Audacity. If you still hear nothing, the problem is probably your computer audio, headphones, cable, or speaker connection, not Audacity itself. So fix that first, then come back to Audacity. If you changed headphones, speakers, or an audio interface while Audacity was open, close and reopen Audacity. You can also go to Transport and choose Rescan Audio Devices. This helps Audacity detect newly connected audio devices. Press play and watch the playback meter. If the meter is moving, Audacity is sending audio out correctly. If it is not moving, make sure your audio track is not muted, your timeline cursor is in the right place
at the bottom
and
of
the
the
track
screen,
actually
and when
contains sound.
the progress.
If there is still no sound, open Edit, then Preferences, and go to Audio Settings. Reselect your playback device, then restart Audacity. As a last option, reset Audacity settings only if the other fixes did not work, because that can remove your custom preferences, and that should bring your Audacity audio back. Most no-sound problems are fixed by selecting the correct playback device and checking mute and volume controls. Once you hear the track again, you're all set to keep editing. Enter the progress at the bottom of the screen, and enter the progress at the bottom